Esports, the professional play and spectating of video games, represents an extreme interaction design context. The high performance requirements of these games motivate players to perform rapid and precise interactions. Esports represents a fertile ground for new interaction designs in time-constrained environments. We focus on real-time strategy games, a popular genre of esport. In pen-in-hand command, we integrate embodied interaction designs into an existing real-time strategy game. We design for the pen and multi-touch interaction afforded by a Wacom Cintiq, augmented with a zero-touch sensor. During play, a player must manage the game view in order to observe and manage different locations in the game world. A player may directly manipulate the game view using a combination of multi-touch gestures. A single finger is used to pan. To rotate and scale the view, a player may use a two-finger pinch gesture. Finally, a player may alter the pitch of the game view using a three-finger pinch gesture. Efficiently selecting and controlling units is a core component of play in real-time strategy games. To select a unit, a player can tap the target unit with the pin. To select multiple units, the player can use a modified lasso technique. The area of the lasso is extended according to the contour of the current selection, enabling the player to quickly select units out of a group. The lasso may be closed normally by directing the contour of the stroke towards the start point. Commands are invoked through bimanual mode selection. A player must first select a command using their non-dominant hand, and then place the command using the pin. The command may be invoked once, or if the command button is held, a command may be issued repeatedly using the pin. A command may be placed at a single location or along a path using a pin stroke, enabling the drawing of movement paths and formations. This technique gives the player more control over unit movement and positioning, a critical part of executing strategic plans. By stowing the pin, a player can perform multi-touch gestures with the dominant hand. Performing this switch is simple and allows for robust multi-touch interaction. We combine precise pin interactions with direct manipulation multi-touch. In the fashion suggested by Guillard's kinematic chain, the fingers define the context in which the pin operates. By combining these two modalities, we create efficient and expressive interactions, supporting high-performance play. By designing for competitive games, we are able to tap into performance requirements that are hard to motivate in other contexts. Through the design of pen-in-hand command, we are taking our first steps towards investigating the design of embodied interaction in the context of esports.